Hi guys, welcome to my channel Me. In this tutorial I'll be showing you yet another quick and easy nail art tutorial. So let's get started. So this is how my natural nails look like. I have already applied 2 coats of my base colors to all my nails. All the details regarding the base colors will be mentioned in the description box. Here I'll be using 2 colors from Nykaa and Lakme. I'll be using a small sized routing tool to recreate this Dotticure, so let's get started. To create this nail art, start making dots from one corner of the nail to the other corner on the opposite side, like so. Keep repeating this step by changing the sides on the other nails. And voila, there you have a quick, hassle-free and quick nail art ready to be rocked. Once it's completely dried, apply a thick layer of a good top coat to seal the nail art. Here I have used Maybelline's top coat. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you like my video, please do like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Do follow me on Insta at mushakkal.me. Bye.